inside this one, ha?
Breaker.
Oh, breaker. Test off, ha?
Ayo.
If no use, you make like this,
Ayo.
ha?
Okay.
Oh, then like this, ha? Then you open. There is. Okay?
Ayo.
Lock.
And then you will run. You push this one,
Okay.
Start.
and then this one.
Okay.
Okay. Then you wait. Wait available, ha? Wait available. Oh, there. Generator available. Generator available.
Then on.
On. Alas. Thank you. Okay?
Okay, syukran.
This one do not touch, ha? This should be always in the 380.
380
Okay.
volts.
Okay?
Okay.
Ah. Before 220 ah.
Dati ito, naka 220 ito eh. Binago topping, hindi naman 380.
Ah.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you. Ito yung maintenance sila. Chris na.
Ah, tuloy na ka na.
Ah, sige kuya.